July monthly predictions. 2021. Virgo. General. Virgo people will have a mixed time this month with respect to their profession and karma. They may mainly focus on their work, and they may not have time to spend on their relationships. Also, some travels or extra responsibilities may be inevitable at work, which can bring about separation from family members. This can affect their relationships and cause some arguments with their family. But their friends will support them this month. Getting new knowledge will be their focus. They want to learn to handle their finances well. They may become spiritual and get a sacred mantra that will work for them. Career. This month may be much better for you professionally than the previous month. And also, the planets will be making you conquer your enemies at work and boosting your creativity. This can give you a lot of responsibilities at work and also a lot of intelligence to solve your problems. The planets can improve your communication skills with your boss and seniors at work. But they may make you feel a bit demotivated at times when things don't go your way, as for example, when you don't get a promotion. Your self-esteem and confidence will be high this month, and you will have peace of mind. Your creativity and hard work will be acknowledged at work. Love relationships. Love can give mixed results for you this month, as your partner or spouse may be upset that you do not invest your feelings in them. Instead, you may feel like relaxing by yourself and spending time alone. This may upset your partner and family members. Similarly, you may feel that your spouse is focusing too much on their career. Things can become uncontrollable later, so it is better to focus on your relationship while it is possible to make things work. You may need to show your love and affection by taking on extra responsibilities at home. Compromise is needed to sustain any relationship. Divine technique for marital harmony. Jupiter Puja. Finances. This month can bring some problems with one of your colleagues regarding financial matters. You may have taken a loan from them or vice versa, which may now crop up as a problem between you two. Unnecessary expenditures may also upset you. You want to be financially stable this month and limit your expenses wisely, but the problem is that things may not be in your control. You may feel that you don't have enough savings and you are indulging in unwanted expenses. You must be patient. Divine technique to improve your finances. Mercury Puja. Health. Your health seems to be fine this month, but there may be some work stress, so you must take care of your health. You may have raised BP or sugar problems. Problems at work and commitments may keep you busy, so try to unwind and go on a vacation if you can. Divine technique to improve your health. Sun Puja. Business. Business deals can be good for you right now, and there can be success in your business deals. But they may also be risky, and too much risk can also lead to losses. So be careful, especially with foreign clients. You may succeed in the creative field and strike business deals due to your intelligence and creativity, and thus may get business loans easily. Professionals. Your juniors at work may look at you as a source of inspiration for them, and your name will shine now as your luckiest planet, Mercury, is in the 10th house. Everyone at work will love your charm, charisma, and intelligence. The planets are helping you to become more mature in your thinking. You are charismatic, and this can help you, especially if you are in the media and entertainment sector. You can get name, fame, and recognition at work, but you must remain humble. You need to let go of your anger and fear to shine in your work. Do not have any self-doubt. Divine technique to improve your career. Mercury Puja. Student. Students will have a good time, but they need to have control over their mind. The planets will give them the courage to overcome their dullness. Students may get student loans. They can do well this time, and those taking exams may be successful. If they meditate and focus hard on studies, they can do well in life. They feel dedicated to their studies and can get scholarships this month, and their mind will be sharp. Their intelligence and hard work can make them attain their educational goals. Divine technique to improve your education. Saturn Puja. Auspicious dates: 4, 5, 6, 12, 14, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Inauspicious dates: 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 21, 22, 23, 28, 29, 30, and 31.